2v squared minus 12v plus 10. Is there a greatest common factor? Yeah, they're all even, so let's factor out a 2. 2 times v squared is 2v squared. 2 times negative 6v would give us the negative 12v, and 2 times 5 would give us 10. Now, if you look at what's inside, that's like our old way of factoring. When you have our a, which is the number in front of the v squared, as a 1, then you can just look at the last number, right? Factors of 5. 1 times 5, that's it. Or you can still do it our new way. 1 times 5 is 5. Think of your factors of 5. In one set. Do they add up to 6? Yes. But how can we make them add up to negative 6? Ooh, a negative times a negative and a negative plus a negative, they're both negatives. So we got v minus 1 times v minus 5. And you might say, oh, Mr. Plant, aren't we supposed to divide them by a? Sure, okay, we'll divide them by 1. But remember, when you divide by 1, nothing changes. So it'll still be the v minus 1 and the v minus 5. Oh, but don't forget, we factored out a 2 as well. That's got to be part of your final answer. I'll feed you, baby birds. Here we go. One more. 4y squared, 14y, and 6. They're all even numbers, so we can factor out a 2 again. 4y squared divided by 2 is 2y squared. 14y divided by 2 is 7y. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remember, the 2 on the outside just hangs out until the final answer. So if we multiply the first and last term in the parentheses, we have 2 times 3, positive 6. And when it's positive, they have to both be the same symbol. So if they add up to positive 7, that means they're both going to be plus. Y plus and y plus. So factors of 6 are 1 and 6, or 2 and 3. Which set can add up to 7? 1 and 6. Remember, we try to divide them by a, the 2. Now, 1/2, you can't simplify that at all, so the 2 just comes to the front. It comes 2y plus 1. Over here, we have 6 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is just 3. Y plus 3. That's a pretty good answer, but it's not perfect. What did I forget? I'm so forgetful. That's right, the greatest common factor from earlier, the 2. Always remember the greatest common factor. Don't forget me, said the greatest common factor.